Keep going. You know where we live. That's quite a sight right there. The boy and his American Bulldog. Don't run too fast. She might run without you. Good girl, Journey. Good girl. Good girl, Journey. Hey. Yeah, she's a big dog. Good job, guys. Give Journey a hug. Say thank you for the good luck. Thank you, Journey.